this was the first time that we took the proof of concept of multiple HoloLenses in a same shared environment and had this running together with a dancer who is immersed in an avatar which is running motion capture done by a dance teacher. Let's try again. Try with your elbow to exit the avatar.
We are validating the hardware, computer graphic performance, HoloLens performance, multiple HoloLenses in the same space, and the software platform, Unity on one hand, as the platform that is integrated everything, and the infrastructure that allows multiple displays worn by different people in real time to share the same coordinate space.
You see now the avatar is smaller? Yes. Every time you hear such a click means one of your body parts is outside the avatar. The right elbow, the left elbow, the right knee and the left knee, each one have a different sound.
Okay.
The dance data is being streamed from the repository or alternatively from the blending machine. In this case, you see the left avatar is being driven by the repository data, while the right avatar is the dance student. The operator, or we see it next to each other, and that was chosen like this, while the dancer is immersed inside the avatar.
Stop. Okay, because the avatar is scaled much higher, when the dance is doing a step forward, the avatar step is like this.
It's a bigger step?
Yes, and then she's exiting because she's seeing a small step. But the avatar, because of its scale, is doing something like that.
With the contemporary dance, we validated the paradigm of the virtual mirror. We still had the avatar engulfing the dance student, but here we looked at putting the avatar next to the student and also presenting a virtual mirror where the dance student could see herself inside the engulfing avatar.
Encore here.
Calibrated.
Ready? Ready?
Previous. 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 Stop. Half speed. Slow down. בלי הפסקה עושה. יופי, בדיוק. אבל זה בלי עצירה. Without stopping. וזה פעמיים, זה שני סיבובים קורית. בדיוק. אוקיי, תעשי reset עוד פעם, סטופ. No, full.
So it was very different from what I used to. Very strange in the beginning, because in the beginning I just see a character and I don't understand it's me. I move one hand, then I see it moves, but it's very hard to connect, like to understand it's really you. And after a while I got used to it, and it became more one. When you put the video of the dancing with the music and everything, then I need to follow it, to be inside the lines of the avatar. So also I see it, and also it's around me, and I find it easier to see the mirror of the avatar, so that I can really see where he moves and to step with him. I need to keep myself inside the avatar also from the back. Suddenly I need to be him. And if I do it physically, then I can learn from it, because I already knew. I already saw what he's doing, and I'm repeating it. This could be very useful. I think it could be very useful for people who wants to start dance. Just experience it and learn from just experience. It could be very useful for the beginning part, which there it's a lot of to look at the teacher and to try to understand what he's doing and to follow him.